Are you frustrated of being in pain all the time? Have you looked and tried every solution that you can find? What if I told you that just using a rolled up towel could help you to get out of pain? And that's what I'm going to show you in this video today. So hello, my name's Catherine. I help people to free themselves from pain so that they can move pain-free every day. So let's get started. So what you'll need is a medium-sized towel, and you want to roll it up. So you want to spread out the towel, fold it in half, and then roll it as tightly as you can to make sort of a cylinder shape. Once you've got your cylinder shape, you want to place this on the ground. It can be on a mat or just on the ground. It can be on a bed as well. And then you want to slowly lower your body so that your belly button is on top of that rolled up towel. You want to stay up on your shoulders, on your elbows to start off with, and you want to breathe diaphragmatically. What's diaphragmatic breathing? Diaphragmatic breathing is when we breathe in through our nose and our belly expands outwards, and we breathe out through our nose and our belly goes small, imagining it's touching the back of the spine. When we're born, we all breathe diaphragmatically, and then over time, due to the stresses of life, fear and pain, we start to use the muscles in the chest to breathe. This then affects the body as we're getting 6 times less oxygen into the body. So when we breathe diaphragmatically, we're using the diaphragm muscle. This massages the organs, it increases the oxygen by 6 times, and then it heats the body. When the body is heated, it is sending the oxygen-rich blood to those cells so that the body can perform the way it's meant to be. When we chest breathe, we're not getting that oxygen to the cells, so everything's cold, and this is where the tension and restrictions happen, and this is what causes pain and disease. So now that you're in position and you're breathing diaphragmatically, you want to, if you can, lower yourself so that you're lying flat onto the towel. Now, you may not be able to do this at first. There can be a lot of pain in the stomach area. This is due to inflammation, undigested food, and any waste that hasn't been eliminated. You may also feel a pulse. This is the aorta, and this is perfectly normal. Now, if you are experiencing pain, as long as you can breathe in a relaxed way and you're not holding your breath, then you're okay to stay in that position. We are pain seekers. We are trying to find this pain. And when we breathe diaphragmatically and make sure that we exhale all the breath, we are releasing that pain, releasing the toxins in the body so that we can create the space, send the oxygen-rich blood to the area so that it can heal and perform the way it's meant to be. Now, the minimum we should stay in position is 3 minutes. Now, you can stay longer, and for some people, 3 minutes might be too much. Even being on the rolled up towel might be too painful. So your breath is always your guide. You can loosen the towel so it's not as restricted. You can just come down onto the ground and just breathe with your belly expanding outwards when you're diaphragmatically breathing, and you can just feel that on the ground below. Or you could use the towel on a rolled up bed. That would be funny. You could use the towel on a bed. Now, block therapy classes use the block that's behind me. Now, this mimics a bone, so it's made out of bamboo or elm, and this, when you lie on it, is obviously a harder surface, and it gets deeper into the body, and it gets deeper into the fascia. And the fascia that is restricted, that has the tension, is then melted away when we're breathing diaphragmatically and creates that space. Then we are able to support the rest of the organs. When we chest breathe, the ribs are falling into the core. When we start to breathe diaphragmatically and we strengthen the diaphragm, the ribs then lift up, and then they can support the organs around it. So not only will diaphragmatic breathing help you to increase the oxygen, it also helps with your posture and the pain that you're experiencing. Now, block therapy is a full body approach. We focus on the full body regardless of where the pain is. And this is because everything is connected. So you may be experiencing some pain in your feet, but this might be because of your hip. You may be experiencing lower back pain, but this might be due to the tightness of your hips or because of pain in your knee. You might be experiencing neck pain, and this might be due to your shoulders or your pec. So everything is linked, and it's important to have a full body approach so that we can release all the restrictions. If you're interested in going on a block therapy class, click on the link in the description for the next classes. If you're interested in learning more about how to get pain out of the body using a rolled up towel, then click subscribe so that you're notified when my next video comes out.